Ladies and gentlemen, this next group on the stage is one of the hottest groups in our gospel music family right now. People have fallen in love with them all over the world, and tonight they're here to sing for you back at the National Quartet Convention. Put your hands together and make welcome the sound.
How we feeling in Pigeon Forge here tonight? I'm not rocking around for Calvin. I don't drive a fine Italian car, but I still get around. I'm not from a major city, and there's not a lot out where we are, but that don't get me down. 'Cause I'm alive, and I have faith, and I feel blessed. 'Cause every day I'm slipping in a pair of worn out jeans and lacing up strings on muddy red wings to working, and I'm working. A Chevy in the garage that I love to drive, an old home church and a beat up Bible to reading, and I'm reading. I have everything I need, ain't got much, but I've got jeans and Jesus. That's a Tennessee song right there. I've got a girl who loves me, and I have a roof above me. I'm thankful every night, yes I am, that I go to work on weekdays and I go to church on Sunday. I don't live a big life, but I don't mind, 'cause I'm just glad I'm slipping in a pair of worn out jeans and lacing up strings on muddy red wings to working, and I'm working. A Chevy in the garage that I love to drive, an old home church and a beat up Bible to reading, and I'm reading. I have everything I need, ain't got much, but I've got jeans and Jesus. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm alive, and I have faith, and I feel blessed. 'Cause every day I'm slipping in a pair of worn out jeans and lacing up strings on muddy red wings to working. And I got a Chevy in the garage that I love to drive, an old home church and a beat up Bible to reading, and I'm reading. I have everything I need, ain't got much, but I've got jeans and Jesus. I've got jeans and Jesus. Yeah. Y'all thankful for the little things in Pigeon Forge tonight? Yeah, here's a song from our first record you might recognize. He saw the ones around him move when he sat down, as the music softly played Amazing Grace. Till last night's fall off the wagon left bruises on his face. So when he felt a hand on his shoulder, he thought he'd hear, "Come back when you're sober." But a friendly voice said, "We're glad you're here. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy, where the doors of love swing open wide. And no matter who you are, no matter what you've done, you can come inside. Welcome to the altar of forgiveness, where the fallen can fall and tears are wiped away. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Take a seat on the front row of grace. Yeah. And I know we all came in here hurting, broken, bruised, and scarred. But then the Father reached us with the healing hand of Jesus, and now we're all a part of His family. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy, where the doors of love swing open wide. And no matter who you are, no matter what you've done, you can come inside. Welcome to the altar of forgiveness, where the fallen can fall and tears are wiped away. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Take a seat on the front row of grace. No, we're not here to judge you. You can find that anywhere. But we're called to love you, and you are welcome here. Right here at the LeConte Center tonight, y'all. Where the doors of love swing open wide. And no matter who you are or what you've done, you can come inside. Welcome to the altar of forgiveness, where the fallen can fall and tears are wiped away. Oh, welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Take a seat on the front row of grace. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Y'all thankful for the grace of God? Well, guys, we're doing an acoustic set for you tonight. Can we play something brand new for you? All right. We're going to do it whether you wanted us to or not, all right? We're going to try this. If he's out with his friends, let him have a good time. But if he's gonna drink, don't let him drive. Just get him home safe tonight. And if he falls way too hard, if she goes and breaks his heart, would you catch him when he falls apart? No, I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, but I know good and well at the end of the day I'm living on prayers my parents prayed. Y'all glad you had somebody praying for you? Make him tough and make him strong. Let him do more right than he does wrong. And work hard for every dollar he brings home. And help him not to lose his cool the way that I used to do. And when he don't know where to turn, help him turn to you. No, I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, but I know good and well at the end of the day I'm living on prayers my parents prayed. Oh yeah, prayers my parents prayed. They kept this on mine between the lines. I know that I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, I still believe it. It's still true. There is still power in prayer in 2022. Do you believe that here tonight? I love that song. We'll do a special one for you real quick. This was our latest single. We live in a world that always questions if there can be a God in heaven. Every day we hear the skeptics wonder how. They're saying the Bible is outdated, that there's no way to explain it, and the evidence is nowhere to be found. But I see it every time I look around. I know that God is real, and His glory is revealed in the heart of everyone who just believes. He still saves and changes lives, and there's no way to deny the difference that He made inside of me. It's more than just emotion that I feel. God is real. See, I can remember who I was, and now I'm who I am because there's a living God who came and made me live. So I'll stay with Him forever, and everything we face together is another story that will show the proof of the gospel truth. I know that God is real, and His glory is revealed in the heart of everyone who just believes. He still saves and changes lives, and there's no way to deny the difference that He made inside of me. It's more than just emotion that I feel. He holds me when I'm falling. He hears me when I'm calling. He listens and He answers every prayer. It's settled and I'm sure of the reality of His love. I don't need to see His face to know He's there. 'Cause I know that God is real, and His glory is revealed in the heart of everyone who just believes. He still saves and changes lives, and there's no way to deny the difference that He made inside of me. It's more than just emotion that I feel. It's more than just emotion that I feel. God is Do y'all believe that God is real here in the LeConte Center tonight? We'll leave you with this. Thanks for having us tonight, y'all. There's one thing that remains the same for everyone. We only get so many trips around the sun. A new day dawns, here we go, and what it holds only God knows. So I guess I better make the most of what I've got, 'cause Somebody's out there waiting, ready or not. And it's an open door I'm gonna walk through. I know for sure what I'm gonna do is love with all that's in me. Gonna give, holding nothing back. Gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening and that's a fact. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run hard till the road runs out. 'Cause I know all we have is here and now. So I'm gonna make it count. Every moment, every minute, every step of every mile. Oh, I'm only here for a little while. So I'm gonna love, and I'm gonna give. I'm gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening and that's a fact. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run hard till the road runs out. 'Cause I know all we have is here and now. So I'm gonna make it count. Yeah, all we have is here and now. Love, live, and make it count. Y'all, thanks for having us. We appreciate you. Hope to see you real soon.
How about it for Day Win recording artist, The Sound? Levi, Jacob, and their dad, Rob Mills. You know that's a proud daddy and mama and family right there. One more time for The Sound tonight.